everyone. I just got done talking to somebody, and I get this all the time, and I know we get new members every day. I mean, you see the group, and I mean, we got so many members that join us. And so we get the question all the time is, you know, how do I call leads? The phone feels like it's 500 pounds. I don't know what to say. And a lot of people write to me, and then they tell me what the lead has told them back. And right away, when I hear what a lead has told them back, I realize that their pitch is weak. All right? Their pitch is not strong, and the reason they're getting it. You see, when you call leads, anybody that's good, anybody that's a top burner, okay? Now listen, to be a top burner for people that call leads, we've done this for years and years and years. We've you know, tripped up, we've said the wrong stuff, we've heard the word no 1,000 times, okay? And you know, it's a process to get good, all right? So you're gonna have to be bad a little bit probably to get good, all right? But here's the deal, when you start calling leads, you're hearing, when someone says, well, they said this or they said that, right away, I know that you didn't pitch them right, okay? Because if you're getting objections, the only way those objections come is when you say the absolute wrong thing, and that's when that objection comes, all right? So when people say, this person said that, they said they didn't opt in, they said this, they said that, I just know the pitch wasn't strong. Because if you talk to someone right, you'll never hear that stuff, all right? So let me give you a couple of examples. Okay, first and foremost, you have about 30 seconds to get somebody's attention. 30 seconds, that's it. Not, you can get hung up on, they're going to tell you no, they're going to do this. No one likes to be sold, period. No one likes to be sold at all, period. Get it in your head right now, no one likes to be sold. So what are you going to do different? Because here's the deal. A lot of people, here's the thing too that you got to remember with leads, all right? When these people answer an ad, a lot of times they're buying a home-based business magazine, they're flipping through it, and they're putting their name and email in. Oh, this one looks good, let me put my name and email in here, and this looks good, let me put my name and email in here. And they're doing so much, or if they Google how to make money or something like that, you know, they are literally putting their name and email all over the place. You think they actually remember where they put it? Half these people have never made money, ever, ever, ever. And that's why they're looking to make some money. They need to make some money, okay? So they're aggressively looking. So as they're aggressively looking, they're filling in forms all over the place. So you asking when you filled out the form is irrelevant, okay? I want you to make sure you understand that. Asking if you filled out a form at all is an irrelevant question. You should never ask it. Number two, well, what you should do, let me tell you the difference. Never ask if you filled out a form. You tell them they filled out a form. Please write that down. Never ask, you tell, okay? Write that down. And I'm going to get into the pitch in a minute. Second off is don't ask them where they found it. It doesn't matter. Once you get them on the phone, you got them on the phone. It doesn't matter how or what form or where they filled it out. It does not matter. That is irrelevant right now. Right now you got a live body on the phone. What are you going to do at this moment to close that live body? Okay, so you got 30 seconds to get their attention, and remember, no one ever likes to be sold. So what are you going to do? Okay, so when I call somebody, here's the wrong way. You call somebody up and say, hey, did you fill out this form? I'm getting back to you. You filled out this form and, you know, blah, blah, blah. I got this business and this and that. First of all, you have to, your presence. You have to have presence. Some people are so afraid that when they get on the phone, their voice sounds weak or they feel like they're reading something. Right away, you're going to hang up. Have you ever been on a phone call with somebody and it sounds like they're reading some script? Hi, you want a trip to Florida? I mean, you're just like, bye, click. Again, you got 30 seconds to get their attention. So a lot of times what I do is, I would say, okay, I'm just looking who's looking here. Okay, let's say I'm talking to Anthony. Okay, when I call, I say, Anthony, hey, is this Anthony? Anthony says, yeah, this is Anthony. Hey, how you doing, Anthony? I start the call with that. How you doing? He's thinking, I go, hey, Anthony, it's Dave. How you doing? In his head, he's thinking, Dave, Dave, Dave. Do I know a Dave? He probably knows tons of Daves. But, you know, he's not real sure how he knows me. But at least I open it up and I'm friendly and then we got something going on. I'm like, hey, listen, Anthony, I'm not going to waste your time. You filled out one of my forms on the internet. I got a ton of them out there. Now, here's the thing. This is what I call the drop. Hey, we got people that are making crazy money. We're paying out, you know, we got some people making $10,000 a month in their first 30 days. You filled out a form about making money. We have a turnkey system that absolutely works for everyone. And I just wanted to show it to you. Listen, put your wallet away. I don't want any money. I want to show it to you. You cool with that? So here's the drop. So a lot of you may have never made a dime in anything you've ever done, which is fine. But I guarantee you, there's people that make big money. We have people in the conversion pros that are making 5 figures a month. Maybe you're not making 5 figures a month, but there are people that are doing that. In your company, you have people that are probably making $10,000 a week. You got somebody, even if they're not even in your downline, they've got an upline somewhere that's making money. You got to remember, the psychological aspect of a lead is they fill out a form because they want the dream to come true. It's like why they buy a lottery ticket. You buy a lottery ticket, you go sit in your car, and you say, man, if I hit the lottery, I'm going to buy up my house and go on vacation and buy my mom a house. For 15 minutes after people buy a lottery ticket, their endorphins go crazy because they start to dream about and think about, what if I actually won this thing? That's the exact same reason why people join MLMs, because they see rich people, they see lifestyle, they see people not working a job, and so in their head when they're filling in the form, that's what they want. That's the end game. Sure, that's going to take a lot to get from this point to that point, right? But you got to remember, the end game is the reason they filled out the form. So when you're talking to them, you kind of got to do what I call the drop to get them to be like, whoa, they peep that ear up, see? They all of a sudden get interested. See, I learned this, I used to do mortgages years and years ago, like 14 years ago. Man, these people would get, house refinance calls all the time and hang up. And I was able to grab their attention in that first 30 seconds and close deals left and right because I knew what to say so they wouldn't hang up the phone or get them interested. And I would drop information on them in the first 30 seconds. And if you're calling a lead and someone says, I didn't fill out a form, dude, see, when I talk to people, I don't even, I'm telling them you filled out the form. That's why I'm calling you. They're not going to tell me they didn't fill out a form. And especially since we have timestamp and IP address that says you live here, I can look at their IP address and see their house on Google. Okay? I can say, look, can I send you a picture of your house? You filled out the form. But they don't even get there with me because I don't let them. See, when I talk to people, I'm very authoritative. Okay, because to me, a lead is a tire kicker until I say they're not a tire kicker. I'm too busy to deal with you unless you give me something back that shows me I want to deal with you. Because I only want to work with people that are going to work anyway, and if you're lazy as heck, I don't want to work with you. So when I call somebody up on the phone, I got this swagger, right? I guess that's what the kids say now, because I'm not that old, but so, get the swagger going. Hey, Joe or Anthony, listen, man, I'm calling you. I filled out one of my websites. I got them all over the internet. We got people making $10,000 a week using our easy system. And I just wanted to send you a video so you can see what we're doing. I don't know if you've already joined something yet. Are you so interested? But man, I don't know about you, but making $10,000 a week doesn't suck. What's Anthony going to say? Yeah, man, making 10 grand a week sucks, man. I'm not into that. Yeah, please don't show me that. And here's the thing, Anthony. I don't want to waste your time. You don't want to waste mine. I'm not looking for any money right now. So this isn't a sales call. I'm not trying to sell you. I'm looking for people. I'm actually looking to try to get you paid. Are you interested in me getting paid, paying you? Okay, and then I have all the objections, okay? I have audios that talk about people are going to say, well, this is going to cost me anything, or is it one of these pyramid things, and all that. And you can listen to my audios on all those rebuttals. But the bottom line is this. People's ears peak when I do the drop. And they're like, dude, you sound like you know what you're talking about. I want to work with you, or a lot of you. Okay, have an upline that's $1 million earner. And let's say you're not $1 million earner yet. You can say, hey, listen. Hey, Anthony. Hey, listen, I'm working with $1 million earner. He's actually my business partner. This guy makes crazy money. I'm working direct with this guy because in a lot of companies, you could have them jump on the phone with you, one of your top earners. And I'm working direct with this guy, and I'm telling you what, we're changing people's lives. We have people that were dead broke, and now they're making thousands and thousands of dollars a week, and all they're doing is following our system. Can I send you a video? What's Anthony going to say? Oh, no, man, please don't send me that video. I don't want to see how you're changing people's lives and making people tens of thousands of dollars a week. I only filled out a form because I was hungry to make some money, but please don't show me that. You see? But here's the difference. Hey, Anthony, I'm calling you because you filled out some form on the website about never say this word. Please, 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 working from home. Are you interested in working from home, Anthony? Click. Every person that calls leads does that stupid, lame pitch. And the difference is approach. For example, someone said, man, I can't, I'm not good with these leads. So I'm like, let me try them. And I sit there and I got on the phone and I started calling the same leads they did. Guess what? Everyone was like, dude, yeah, man, could you send me that info? I'll watch it today. Now, what's the difference between me calling and somebody else calling? Calling the same person. Well, it's the way I present it and get them excited and fired up. See, when you call a lead, if you do it the right way, that person's going to hang up with you and go run to their email. Okay, because you're sending them something to change your life right now. You got to look at it from this perspective. You don't need them, they need you. Okay? You have the answer that they're looking for. You don't need them, they need you. Okay? So you're going to send them something that's going to change your life. All right? So when you're on the phone, don't be afraid to call a person that's actually gave you a phone number. You're going to help them out. So again, it's all about that swagger. Okay, listen, Anthony, you want to make some money. I'm helping people make thousands and thousands of dollars every single week. Me and my business partner. And all you got to do is watch this video, man. And then after the video, we'll talk again and we'll see if it's for you or not. And then if they say, is it going to cost me anything? The dreaded, is it going to cost me anything? Okay, I had a text pop up. Hold on a second, everyone. And I'd be like, Anthony, I make people money. I make people a lot of money. Our company is making people thousands of dollars. Are you interested in spending money or are you interested in making money? Because I'm confused. You fill out a form saying that you want to make some money, and here you're talking about spending a bunch of money. You know, is that what you want to do? And all of a sudden they shut up. Is it one of those pyramid schemes? Why, are you looking for one? I don't do things illegal. We're helping people legitimately make thousands and thousands of dollars a week. I don't do illegal things. And pyramid things are the stock market. You know, I'm not a Bernie Madoff, if that's what you're talking about. Is that what you're talking about? And then they shut up. See, people talk when they don't have facts. When you back stuff up with facts, number one, you got your swagger. Think about it like this. There's not a question that a league could ask me that I can't run them right over with and demolish them with facts. And then they're like, dude, I want to work with this guy. The reason they want to work with me is because I have the swagger, and they're like, dude, this guy is professional. He knows what he's doing. Obviously, he's doing this. And then I basically tell these people, look, I'm not out to waste your time. And listen, I got 50 people that I'm talking to today. I'm bringing on a handful to work with direct. You serious? I got people making thousands of dollars a week. You can work with me direct, but I don't know if it's for you or not. Are you going to be by a computer and watch this video today? Yes or no? Because I'll easily just scratch your name right off my list. See, a lot of you think you need these leads so bad, you're afraid to do that. Guys, I'll talk to guys because I don't know how it is with women, but with men, when you hit on the hot girl and she says no, the guys keep trying to hit on the hot girl, right? Because she's playing that hard to get. I don't know how it works with women. But, you know, the guy, you know, girl plays hard to get, he keeps trying, okay? Or says, wait, what's going on here? Okay, he's more attracted to that. So if you act like you're begging these people on the phone and you're weak and you're like, I need you to sign up in this and please, I don't have anybody and I got to get you and you got to do this today, and you act like you're begging and whining to these people, you're going to come off like that. And when you come off like that, if you come off like you've never signed up anybody in your life, and maybe you've never signed up anybody in your life, but if you sound like you never signed anybody up in your life and you suck at your business, why are they going to join you? Why are they going to join you? Okay? I mean, if you're calling around for someone to fix something in your house, okay, and they act like they don't know what the heck they're talking about. For example, let's say I had a leak and I call up a plumber, and a plumber says, man, I don't know, blah, 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 and just acts like, you know, I can do anything, this and that. And I call another plumber, and another plumber's like, listen, man, you know, it's probably the seal on your bathtub, and if it's not that, we'll have to check your baseboard. If it's not that, it's probably the rim around your toilet. And, you know, but I'll tell you this, if I come to your house, I will fix that leak. We're going to find it. And I talked to that guy, and I talked to some guy, I said, man, I don't know, I just got to come look at it, blah, blah, blah. Who do you think I'm going to want to work with? Okay? Who do you think I'm going to call or want to work with? Okay? And it's the same thing that goes when you're calling leads. If you sound super weak, like you could get ran over, they're probably not going to want to work with you. And then if you say these leads aren't good, because your pitch is super weak and you haven't done the right things, the leads are good. Because if I call that same person, I guarantee you I can get them to go look at any presentation I want. I guarantee anybody that's said no to you, I could probably turn that no into a yes like that. Why? It's the way I present to that person. I present from a position of strength. And listen, we're going to take you, remember, here's what you got to know. In any sales thing at all, or when you're doing this, you have to know this, is sales is like a slalom course. A slalom course is when you have all the cones and you have a car that drives like this, okay? You can get them to the finish line, but sometimes you got to go through this. The thing is if you already know all those answers to all those objections, and you already know how to present, you will always get to the finish line. You will always get them to the finish line, okay? As opposed to getting hit right away or letting them run you over, all right? And the biggest part about this is you know what they want. They filled out a form because they want lifestyle. You could ask them questions too. Anthony, what do you do for a living? You know, well, I sell cars. So you're probably working over 40 hours a week, aren't you? Yeah, man, I hate it. Well, listen, man, how would you like to get out of that in about 30 days? Because we got people quitting their job in 30 days. Can I send you a video that can show you how to do that? You think he's not going to want to say yes because that's why he filled out the form. He hates his job. He wants the money. Or maybe he wants to take a massive vacation or whatever. You know, understand there's an end game for them. So do the drop right away in your first 30 seconds. Do the drop. Get them excited. And again, if you've never made money, it doesn't matter. There's somebody in your company that has. So just take that position and say, I'm working with a company that's making people thousands a week. You didn't say, I'm making $1,000 a week. You're saying, I'm working with the company. I'm working with a leader. I'm working, and any leader in your company, you could call him your business partner. I don't know any guy or gal that's at the top of a company that wouldn't let you say they're my business partner because they want to help you build a massive downline because they all make more money. So you can say, listen, my business partner is making millions of dollars a year. We're helping people just like you, and you got to see what we're doing, man. I'm excited. I'm excited. You got to see what we're doing. We're changing people's lives. And see, that's the way I talk to people. I talk excited. I don't talk, you filled out a form and, I would like to show you a business opportunity so you can work from home. How does that sound to you? It sounds like crap. Click. That's why people don't get it. That's why some people kill it with leads and some people don't kill it with leads. It's not the lead. The leads are good. These are people that are seeking stuff. And if they tell you they're not seeking stuff, they're just flat out lying, or because they're not excited about you. If you start with some lame pitch and you're not good on the phone, say I'm looking for a business opportunity. Why? It gives them an easy out to hang up the phone with you and be polite. It lets them hang up and be polite with you. Because some people aren't just jerks. You're going to find your jerks that'll just click or screw off or whatever and hang up. But you'll find people that are like, I definitely don't want to work with this person. This person obviously does not know how to make money. I don't want to work with this person. I need to get off the phone. So I'll say, I never filled out a form. I'm not interested at this point. Why? Because it's a polite way to say you suck and you're not good at calling leads and I just want to get off the phone with you. I'm serious. I don't sugarcoat anything, but that's it. It lets them have an out. So if you're hearing those kind of things, you're not pitching to get that person excited to look at the information. Remember, your first call isn't to sign them up. Your first call is to let them introduce yourself, and you want to tell them, hey, I got a presentation on the way. It's not going to cost you any money. Put your wallet away. You get them at ease. You get them excited about working with you and your company. Then they watch your awesome landing page videos, like when I show you guys how to build a funnel. You send them the funnel with all those awesome videos. They watch all that. They get excited, and then they want to join you. All right? And then you can do a three-way call with your leader or whatever. All right, everybody, that's all I got tonight. I got to go shopping, but hopefully that helps. You guys understand the difference between being strong, getting your swagger when you call leads, as opposed to being weak and getting, again, if you're hearing, I didn't fill out a form, I'm not really interested in an opportunity, those kind of answers mean your pitch is not as strong as it could be. It doesn't mean that's a bad lead. It means I never hear that. I never, ever, ever hear that. Why? I don't even give them a chance to say something stupid. When I'm on the phone with a lead, I don't give them a chance. They know I'm no nonsense. They're not going to get a chance to say some stupid answer to me like that. Not even close. I never hear that answer. So why don't I hear it? Because my pitch is strong. I get them excited. I tell them I don't want your money right now, so I put them at ease. I get them relaxed, and then we put all the stuff together. All right? All right, everybody. I hope that helps, okay? I hope that helped you. And everybody, I will talk to you later.